I have my 2-pack of motion sensor lights here. When you do receive it, it does come with a charging cord. Also comes with some metal plates. Now what you're going to do is you're going to remove the adhesive on here. Just peels right off. You're going to attach it magnetically to the back of the light, and this way you can just put it wherever you need to. Also on the back, this is how we actually turn it on. We've got an off button and an auto. As soon as you turn it to auto, it's going to come on, and there are actually 3 different lighting levels here. On the light itself, we actually have 3 LEDs. I mean, they're super bright, and then we have a charging port here. When you plug it in to charge it, the sensor itself is actually going to turn red. I mean, these are great for really putting anywhere it's dark, whether it's on stairs, in a hallway, and especially in the bathroom. You get up in the middle of the night, it's a little dark. I love that I have 2 of these. They're very inexpensive to go ahead and put all around the house and just make it a safer area, and they look fantastic too. These do have an auto mode, so it memorizes the last brightness level, and to save power, it turns off in 25 seconds. Hope you found this helpful.